Hello my dear student, I welcome you all to the maths class. So in today's session we are going to continue page number 92 from your Math Magic NCERT chapter number 6, Be My Multiple, I'll Be Your Factor. Okay, so the question is, repeat the game by putting the multiple of 4, 6 and 5 in the circle. So in our last class we have done common multiples of 3 and 5, right? And in today's game they have asked us to repeat the same game but by using the multiple of 4, 6 and 5. Okay, so let me write the multiple of 4, 6 and 5 here. So here is the multiple of 4, 6 and 5. Okay, the multiple of 4, 6 and 5 means it is a simple table which you know, right? Now the question is given to you all. You have to frame the question. You have to frame the answer according to the question. Okay, so the first question is, what common multiples of 5 and 6 do you write in the green part? That means this green part should be representing the common multiple of 5 and 6. Okay, and similarly the orange part will be representing for the 4 and 6, right? And this gray part here will be representing for 4, 6 and 5. That means the common multiple of 4, 5 and 6 should be written here. So but before that, let us solve the first question, that is, what common multiples of 5 and 6 should be written in the green part. So in order to solve that, we need to know what are the common multiples present in 5 and 6. Yes, 5 and 6. So 6 1 is 6, 6 2 is 12, 6 3 is 18, 6 4. So 30 I can see here. It is common in both the side. So let me make it thinner. 30 is common in both the side. Is there any other number which is common in both the side? So the common number which is multiple, so I can write here in the green part that 30 can be written. One number is 30, 30, 30, right? Yes, 30 is one number. Is there any other number which we can write? No, only 30 is there, right? If we go further, like if you want to go for other multiples, then you may find other multiples. You may find other common multiples, but we have only taken till 10 multiple we have chosen. So that is why we are writing till only 30. Till here we will be choosing. Okay, next, what common multiple of 4 and 6 are written in the orange part? So you have to write common multiples of 4 and 6. So for that I have written a multiple here for 4, 6 and 5. So but we have to consider only 4 and 6. So the common multiple I can see here is 12. Yes, absolutely. Next, any other number is there? Yes, 36 is there, common in both the number. If we go further, we may get other number, but I have already told you that we are choosing only till 10 multiples we have taken. So we have to write the common multiples of 4 and 6 in case of orange part, right? So what are the common multiples? 12 and 24. So let me write down 12 and 24. Only we got this. And in case of green part, we got only 30. 6 5 are 30, 5 6 are 30, right? Okay, proceeding to the next question. Sorry, 24 was not the one, right? It is 36. So let me write down here 36. This is my mistake here. Okay, proceeding to the next one. In which colored part did you write the common multiple of 4, 6 and 5? So I have already told you that in the gray part, that is in this part, you have to write the common multiple of 4, 5 and 6, right? So it is covering the all the three areas. That is the common multiple of 4, 6 and 5 it will be covering. Okay, so what are the common multiples that is present in 4, 6 and 5? Okay, so if we consider, what is the number? For 20 should be present in all the number? No, 20 cannot be present. Okay, let us check it. 4 is not there in every case, 8 is not there, 12 is not there, 16 is not there, 20 is not there, 24 is not there, 28 is not there, 36, 54, 45 is not there, 40, 60, 50 is not there. So I can, from in between this 10 multiples, I cannot find any common multiples that can be written in the gray. but here one answer can be written, that is, in which colored part did you write the common multiple of 4, 6 and 5? So the answer will be the gray part. Okay, only in the gray part. Although we did not find any common multiple of 4, 6 and 5, but the answer will be, if there was any other, if suppose we go for the another forward for checking another multiple, which you can do. All right, if you get any number, then you will be writing in the gray part. Okay, this should be clear to you. Okay, proceeding to the next page, that is in page number 93, you'll be getting more tamarind seeds, right? So in this topic you'll be enjoying. Okay, so let us see what is there. Amini is arranging 12 tamarind. Tamarind means imli, right? So you people have had that. Amini is arranging 12 tamarind seeds in the form of a different rectangle, right? Try to make more rectangle like this using 12 tamarind seeds. How many different rectangles can you make? So if we go for making like this, there are how many? 12 tamarind seeds, and using that we have to make a rectangular shape figure. Okay, so I can make like this: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Yes, this is one figure here. That is, in the length part I have how many? I have given 4 tamarind, and in the width part or in the breadth part I have given 3. I have placed 3 tamarind. So isn't it forming a rectangle? Yes, rectangle, you all know that it has got the length and the breadth, right? It is a form of a quadrilateral, right? The next one, let us have a look for the next one. If I choose this way 4 and this way 3. Okay, so it will be 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Isn't it this forming a rectangle which is different to this? Right, absolutely. So we can go for another one also, like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. So even this is a rectangle here, right? Absolutely. Okay, this shape can be turned like this: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, sorry, till 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. So even you can see here, this is a rectangle. So this many shapes can be made using this 12 tamarind seeds. Okay, so I hope you people will enjoy. You people can try further with the by making rectangles using the 12 tamarind seeds. Okay, next one. If there are 15 tamarind seeds, how many rectangles can you make? Alright, I want to give you this as a home assignment. Try it. If you have 15 rectangle, right? 15 tamarind seeds, how many rectangles can you make? Very simple. I hope you people will enjoy it. Okay, proceeding to the next topic, that is coloring the grid. Now your favorite job comes here, that to color the grid. Okay, but before that, let us solve few questions, whatever is given. In the grid here, this is a grid. A rectangle made of 20 boxes drawn. So here you can see rectangle made of 20 boxes are drawn. Let us count: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20. So 20 using 20 boxes they are making a rectangle. Now the question comes, the width of this rectangle is 20 boxes. So width means this is made up of 20 boxes. Let us count: 1 2. Absolutely, it is made up of 2 boxes. Now the first question is, what is its length? So in order to count this length, what we have to do? Length is this. Of course, you all know that in a rectangle we have got two sides, two main sides, that is length, and another one is breadth. The opposite of length is length, and the opposite of breadth is breadth. The breadth are the shortest side and the length are the longest side, if you don't know what is a rectangle actually. So this is what I have done a revision here. Okay, so let us count how many boxes are there to make a length: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So in order to form a length, how many boxes are used? 10 boxes. Okay, so the length of this rectangular figure is 10 boxes, and the breadth is 2 boxes, which is already given in the question, right? Now next, color a rectangle made of 20 boxes in some other way. Now you have to color a rectangle using the same 20 boxes in some other way. Okay, let's do. We can color. Okay, so in order to do this, you need to have a color with you and use 20 box to make a rectangle. At least you have to make a rectangle. Okay. Now this part I am choosing 2, 3, 4, 5. I can go for the next grade. It is 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So if I draw a boundary, aren't you getting rectangular figure here? Just have a look. Yes, which is made up of 20 boxes, right? I hope you guys understood. So you can choose any color to make a rectangular 20 boxes, okay, which is of 20 boxes. Now the next question which we have, what is the length and width of the rectangle you colored? So this is the rectangle I have colored here. So what is the length? So the length of course is the longest side and the width is the shortest side. So length is how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is of 5 boxes. So let us write here, length is of 5 boxes, of course. And what is the width then? 1, 2, 3, 4, right? So, and the width or breadth is of 4 boxes, which will make 20. That is 5 into 4 will make 20. So this is the way to verify whether you have used 20 boxes or not. Okay. So the last question is left out, that is, in how many ways can you color a rectangle of 20 boxes? Color them all in the grid and write in the length and width of each rectangle you have colored. Then you have to make different pattern, that is using 20 box only. In how many ways you can make a rectangle? Okay, so using this rectangular grid, okay, you have grid boxes, and in how many and what are the length and width of each boxes, each rectangle, sorry, you have to write those length and width also. Okay, so I request you all to do this yourself. You will have a fun, you will understand the meaning of a length in a clear manner. So I want you all to do this yourself. Okay, so this much for today, student. In our next class we will proceed with the next sum. Till then, stay safe and healthy. Thank you everyone.